If your hotel collection diffuser is running but the fragrance feels faint or barely noticeable, the problem usually isn't the oil, it's how the system is delivering it. These diffusers are built to create a strong, even scent, but only when airflow, oil feed, and settings are all aligned. Over time, small things like residue buildup, low intensity settings, or poor placement can quietly reduce performance. The result? You get a weak scent, even though everything looks normal. Instead of turning it up randomly, the smart move is to fix the cause directly. Let's go step by step and bring that full scent output back. Try these. 1. Increase the diffuser intensity or output level from the control panel. 2. Check the oil level and refill if it's running low. 3. Clean the atomizer or nozzle to remove hidden residue buildup. 4. Move the diffuser to a more open area for better scent spread. 5. Restart the unit to refresh the diffusion cycle. 6. Let it run for a few minutes and confirm stronger fragrance output.